What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Crystal Palace. Today we're here at Legoland New York. We have a preview ticket, a preview day here for Legoland. Just a day to check out the park before it opens for real to the public. Not everything will be open, but should still be a fun day. Let's go check it out. Here's my pirate friend here at the entrance, made out of Legos. Gotta love it. This entrance is honestly amazing. Right when you enter in the park, to your right is the mini market, strollers, wheelchairs, package pickup, the photo shop, lockers and restrooms, and also the Brick Cafe. On the left side is the big shop. This is the biggest store here on Lego property. Here is the Brick Street Cafe, a little market with some snacks and breakfast items. Right outside the cafe, they also have these tables for seating. Like, hey gals, what's up? What's good? What's new? I like your dog. So fun. Right here when you walk in is this carousel. How cute! Oh my god. Look at the motorcycle. It's made of Legos. So from here you can go to Bricktopia or also Miniland right over here. There's two ways you can go around the park, but it's all one big circle anyway, so you're gonna end up back here. They also have the Legoland New York app. Kind of like the My Disney experience to navigate the park, view wait times, show times. Oh my god, here's the Statue of Liberty walking around. That is so cool. Hi, Lady Liberty. Nice to see you today. Nice preview day. You're gonna get a picture. Here is the big shop here, right when you enter. And they have these cute minifigures out here, and they bought a Lego from the store. That is adorable. Here we go into the big shop. They have this really cool carousel parachute type of thing. Here is a Legoland exclusive, and this is Legoland New York Park. Here is the Legoland exclusive set actually built, so you can see what it looks like. Here is actually a Legoland Spirit jersey. Here's the back. They have this I Heart Legoland New York shirt. That's really cute, like the I Heart New York shirts. If you guys are enjoying this video so far, make sure to give it a big thumbs up down below and hit that subscribe button to see more content like this. Here they have a refresh and refill station to get your drinks. They have ices. Ooh, I feel for an icy. They have the Coke Freestyle machines. And here are the cup options. You could get a collector's cup. Like, look at this. Oh my god. And here we go, right into Miniland. So the park is kind of on a hill. As you could see, we're up on top at the entrance, and this is the park all down here. They also have right here is Goshen Town Hall, and that's the town that Legoland New York is in. So that's pretty cool. Here you could see the construction for the Pirate Land here. This is the only land that's not open currently in the previews. It is coming in summer 2021. This is so awesome. Like, I'm kind of fangirling right now. I love Legos. Like, this is so cool. Oh my god, here is Yankee Stadium. Are you kidding? That is awesome. I was here last night. Make sure to subscribe to my channel in order to see this vlog from Yankee Stadium. The real one, not the Lego one. This might be like one of the coolest things I've honestly ever seen. And like the skyscrapers over here, this is awesome. Oh my god, this is Arthur Avenue. Are you kidding me? Man, look at these skyscrapers. I wonder how many Legos it took to make this. Here is the Empire State Building made out of Legos. That is just nuts. And you can hear the subway. Stop. Oh my god, that is so cool. That is just unreal. I would really recommend starting to the right in Miniland because everybody goes straight. So right after Miniland, you're gonna come down into the Pirate Land when it opens. Right here, as you could hear the construction going on. This ride is going to be called Anchors Away. This looks like it's just gonna go up and down, back and forth. That's really cool. Oh no, we have a pirate down. Are you okay? Just call 911, please. Call an ambulance. So now we're pretty much at the lowest point of the park. The entrance is up there. There's going to be refreshment stands along this path here. This actually might be one of my favorite things, these flowers, because like everyone's built these flowers before, you know, if you played with Legos. This is so cute. A fire hydrant and the water and a Lego fireman's coming out of it. Okay, we're coming up to a ride here. This is so cute. It's a little fire truck race and you actually have to, you can see these people doing it, pump the engine to make the truck go. I'm currently in the fire truck. This is so fun. Fighting fires and whatnot. Right across from the Fire Academy is the Baby Care Center, restrooms, and also the Briccolini's pizza and pasta. So here is like a sit-down quick service place you can eat. And it's an adult buffet, child buffet. Another adorable photo op right outside of Briccolini's. Look at this pizza guy. I love him. And here is a place to sit outdoors for Briccolini's. Across from Briccolini's is this cutest ever racing academy race car track. And for the really little kids, they have this little mini car racetrack over here. That is so cute. This is ages 3 to 5. And the other one, City Park Circuit, is ages 6 to 13. So here is the Palace, the Crystal Palace, the Palace Cinema. It's going to show some Lego shows. Right outside, it looks like they're having a red carpet party and a limo. Okay, bougie. I wonder if any actors are gonna be here today. Look at this corn. I love him. Like, he has a luggage. He's going on vacation. He's like, bye New York, I'm leaving. I'm going to Florida. So here is the Granny Apple Fries. This looks like it's going to be one of the like unique places to eat here. They have apple fries. They're like fried apples. They also have ice cream. So we're gonna eat and then we're gonna continue on our journey. Okay, so excited. We literally rope dropped the apple fry stand. It opened right at 11. We were the first ones online. So here they are. It comes with caramel sauce and whipped cream. This is what they look like. They're like weird. They're like kind of like wannabe churros, but like hot apples. I like it in the caramel sauce. So it really tastes like hot applesauce when you bite into it with like this cinnamon coating. It's pretty good. If you like applesauce, I would definitely try these out. The apple fries are Crystal Palace approved. He's eating chicken and sleeping on the job because he's supposed to protect the castle. Here's the Lego castle. This is cool over here. It's a little tight. They have the Royal Market, a shop, and the Builders Guild where you can make and build Legos. They also have restrooms here and the Royal Feast. So here is the Royal Feast. They have food here. The featured item is a Royal Smash Burger. They also have chicken sandwich, Hebrew National hot dog combo, burgers, chicken tenders, kids meals. This is like your normal quick service food. Right here is the Tower Climb Tournament. We're going on this tower ride. Oh my God, oh, wait, it's happening. Ride was actually fun and scary. Like, I got up there and I was like, wait, I really don't like heights. You know, you're at Legoland, you think like, oh, it's fine. But it was pretty, I don't know, it's like a good height. It's a workout too. Like, oh my God, my arms. So this is the biggest coaster in Legoland. It's not currently open yet. It's called the Dragon. It's definitely a family coaster. You can also see right here, they have the big shot camera, so you know there's gonna be an on-ride photo, which is pretty awesome. This ride right here is called the Dragon Apprentice. It's like a nice kiddie coaster. The head of it is a dragon. This ride is called Merlin's Flying Machines. and it's just like a little baby version of Dumbo. It goes up, it's cute, but right now it's a 60-minute wait. That's a little absurd. Right across from Merlin's Flying Machines is the Wizards Frozen Wonders. They have the Wizards Nachos, which is ice cream nachos. That is so yummy. Oh my God, this girl's a vlogger. Hey girl, what's your YouTube channel name? You have a Canon G7X? Also really nice about this park is that they have these speakers all throughout that's playing like nice, pleasurable music. They have these benches pretty much every 2 feet. And something interesting is that every single bench was made out of approximately 940 reclaimed milk jugs. So the show isn't open yet, but it looks like they're doing a little rehearsal for the show. Right next to it is the Showtime Snacks booth. Chili cheese dog, chili cheese fries, nachos, Hebrew National hot dog, and a jumbo pretzel with cheese. This would be me buying all the snacks and all the popcorn. Here is what we got for lunch from Showtime Snacks. We got a Hebrew National hot dog. We got a jumbo pretzel and some nachos. Let's try them out. The pretzel was actually really good. Definitely one of my favorites. I also loved the nachos, and the hot dog was pretty good too. But I have to say the pretzels were my favorite. We're coming up here on Lego Ninjago. All around the park, you have such nice views. You could see pretty much everything. So here's the Ninjago ride entrance. It's a 120-minute wait right now. So here it is, you get in the car. It's 3D, you put your 3D glasses on, go like this, and it's interactive with the screens in front of you. Let's head over to the Ninja Kitchen and look at what they're serving up today. Oh, okay, they have rice bowl with beef, tofu, orange chicken, pork or vegetable egg rolls. Here are the prices. So here is Gravity Force actually running. We made our way back up to the top of the hill. Once again, these views, it kind of is what makes this park so fun because you could just see everything and just the mountains. It's so very upstate New York vibe. Now we're entering Bricktopia. This is so cute. I love him. Excuse me, sir. Please hold my gimbal. I have to go to the bathroom. Thank you. Right here is the Lego Factory Ride. Yes, I'm so glad. That was perfect timing. The factory ride just opened back up. Now we're gonna head on. This is a really cool queue line. I like this a lot. That's the ride vehicle. That was really a cute ride. I'm glad we got to go on it. It was kind of like a lesser version of Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway, but a better version of Figment. So like, if you can imagine somewhere in between that, that's what that factory tour was like. Here is the Duplo Express. This is like a mini kiddie train ride. Super cute for the little ones. Look at it. Oh, there's actually nobody in it. We are inside Smokey's Brick-A-Q now. So you order your food right up here, pay, and then you could get a seat. There's also seating outside. Here's the menu. You could get platter, brisket platter. Hey, Professor Bricky, what's good? Here in the Creative Workshop is another area where you can build Legos, like your little kids can build Legos in there. All right, we're back at the front now. Here's the little teacup type of ride. It's called DJ's Dizzy Disco Spin. So here is the construction progress for Legoland Hotel. This entrance looks super cute, this tower right here. There's really not much to see, but I think it's gonna be really nice and fun and cute. Looks like it's gonna be similar to the one in Orlando, so if you know what that one looks like. So here's the hotel right here, and right to your right there is the entrance to the park. Also, another thing, if you wanna go to Legoland Park, from New York City, if you're visiting New York City, there's a bus right from Port Authority Bus Terminal that takes you right here to Legoland. It's probably about an hour-and-a-half drive. That's a great option too if you're visiting New York City and want to come up here to Legoland. Legoland, it's been real. I had genuinely a fun time here, even though there weren't a lot of rides for me. It was still really fun to explore. If you like going out and seeing new things, I definitely recommend it. I really recommend it for kids. It's a good like starter park if you want to bring your kids to Disney for sure. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, subscribe, share, ring that bell to get notified every time I post a new video. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.